Hello, dear students. In this video, I am going to discuss about content distribution networks, that is CDN. Today, many internet video companies are distributing on-demand multi-Mbps streams to millions of users around the world every day. Example is YouTube. Uh, Nowadays, we are very much familiar with this YouTube, right? We are watching different videos through this YouTube. Streaming all this traffic to locations all over the world while providing continuous playout and high interactivity is clearly a challenging task, right? For an internet video company, the most straightforward approach to providing streaming video service is to build a single massive data center and store all of its videos in that particular data center and stream the videos directly from the data center to clients worldwide. Three major problems with this approach. First one, if the client is far from that particular data center, server to client packets will cross many communication links and likely pass through many ISPs, with some of the ISPs possibly located on different continents. If one of these link provides a throughput that is less than the video consumption rate, what happens? The end-to-end throughput will also below the consumption rate, resulting in unknowing freezing delays for the user. This is the first problem. Second problem, sorry, what happens here? The likelihood of this happening increases as the number of links in the end-to-end path increases. The second problem, a popular video will likely be sent many times over the same communication links. For example, consider one video song became very popular. What we will do? We will watch the same video songs again and one, two times, three times, four times, 10 times, 15 times, right? What happens? This wastes the network bandwidth, and also the internet video company itself will be paying its provider ISP for sending the same bytes into the internet over and over again. And third problem is a single data center represents a single point of failure. If the data center or its link to the internet goes down, it would not be able to distribute any video streams. Consider an example. Uh, Nowadays, everyone working from home, right? Using laptop or mobile. So let's consider you have a single laptop and all data you stored in that laptop. And for day-to-day work, you require that laptop. Okay. For example, today that laptop spoiled. What happens? Today it is not possible to do any work because you have only one laptop and that is also spoiled, and all your data is stored in that laptop, so you can't access that laptop also. Similarly, here also uh, it has single data center, and what happens if the data that particular data center or its link to the internet goes down, it would not be able to distribute any video streams. In order to meet the challenge of distributing massive amounts of video data to users distributed around the world, almost all major video streaming companies make use of content distribution networks, that is CDNs. A CDN manages servers in multiple geographically distributed locations, stores copies of the videos and other types of content, including documents, images, and audio, in its servers, and attempts to direct each user request to a CDN location that will provide the best user experience. The CDN may be a private CDN that is owned by the content provider itself. Example, Google's CDN distributes YouTube videos and other types of content, and the CDN may be alternatively be a third party CDN that distributes content on behalf of multiple content providers. Example, Akamai's CDN is a third party CDN that distributes Netflix and Hulu content among others. There are two major CDN deployment approaches. First one, pioneered by Akamai, is to enter deep into the access networks of internet service providers (ISP) by deploying server clusters in access ISPs all over the world. Second one, bring home, a second design philosophy taken by Limelight and many other CDN companies, is to bring the ISPs home by building large clusters at a smaller number of key locations and connecting these clusters using a private high-speed network. Okay? And in the next video, I am going to explain this CDN operation. Okay? Thank you.